Hey everybody, it's Rose here from RoseM Creations. Thank you for joining me. So today is the Little Pouring Art Family Challenge collaboration. We do one once a month, and you don't have to have a YouTube channel to participate, and anyone can choose the challenge. So this month the challenge was chosen by Becky, and her challenge was marbling technique. Marbling as in like stone countertop marbling, not marble with the toy marble. So this is my second try. So you have to have a 16 by 20 canvas, white based. You need to have gray, so this is my gray, and I'm using satin enamel gray. I had picked that up when you couldn't find satin enamel. I found the gray, so I grabbed it. So I don't know if the satin enamels are going to mess this up. And then you had to have gold, so that's my 24 karat gold. And then one additional color. So my additional color is this pastel, no, not pastel, pearl sea green by Arteza. That's my extra color. And yeah, the first time it didn't go well. So I'm going to try the technique that actually, there's a channel called Massey Art Studios. There's a gentleman named Jeremy. He does a lot of marbling. I'll put a link to his channel as well. And also in the link in the description box will be all the other people that are participating in this collaboration. So please go see the description box. But Jeremy does marbling, and I'm gonna try his method. So there's like large sandwiches of white, and then you drizzle the colors. So that's how I'm gonna do it. I tried it a different way the first go around, and nope, didn't like it. So I'm just drizzling the color. You don't need a ton of color. And I don't want a ton of gold. I like this gold, but it definitely, it takes over. Which, you know, some people like, but I don't want it to totally take over. So as you can see, or I hope you can see, you don't need a lot of color paint. So we'll see. I hope this one works. then when you pull the pin out, this paint will spread out a little easier. So I'm just going to do this. I got some more white here. And I'm just going to kind of do my corners. All right, so here we go. So that helps the paint get released, and hopefully I can see the paint come out. So I'm just gonna let it walk on its own. I'm gonna let the paint decide where to go. This looks like marble to me. And I will take you in closer to show it to you wet. And then I'll show it to you dry. I hope it stays the way it is. I don't want the satin enamel to do anything funky, but yep, much better than round one. So yeah, if you're looking to have some fun and have a challenge or a collaboration, these all go out on the same day and the same time. So we'd love to have you, Little Pouring Art family, and that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, and peace, everybody. All right, here it is wet. I'll get a little closer. It does look like marble. I don't see any gold and very little green, which I'm kind of surprised at. But Much better than the first time. I'll show it to you dry. All right, here it is dried, very light. It does look like marble. None of the gold showed up, which is interesting. I think this is the only, if you can't tell, this is the only spot gold popped out. You can see some of the green, but here is my marbling challenge or collaboration. The Little Pouring Art family, all the participants are in the description box. So yeah, give it a try. Let us know what type of technique you did. It's tricky. All right, thanks everybody, and have a great day.